Letter E says again another sound which is eh, eh, and this is the transcription. So anywhere you see it with some mark and some pattern that we are going to learn very soon, pronounce it what? Eh. And this is the transcription. This is the way it is transcribed. Eh, eh, eh. Example. What are the words that pronounce eh? When you see E at the mark comes this way. So read it eh, eh. When you see it and the mark is also like this, pronounce it what? Eh, eh. When you see E and T, eh, eh. When you see E and I, it's pronounced eh. When you see A and I, pronounce it what? Eh. When you see ES, pronounce it eh. When you see EST, pronounce it eh. Then lastly, when you see E followed by double T or double S or double L, pronounce it what? Eh. Pronounce it eh. E followed by T, double T, S, double L, pronounce it eh. Now, we are going to the detail one by one. The first one, eh, eh. Example, look at pear, father, pear, father, mare, mother. It's not mere as some people used to pronounce it mere and pere. No, it's mare, pear, mare, mother, frère, brother, frère. Then we go to the next one. Eh, fête, party. The party you can go, or the festival, party. Bet, animal or stupid. Animal or stupid. Call it bet. Head. More to the next. A. That is A, sorry. A. Poulet. Chicken. Paquet. Pack of something, or the packet of something. Paquet. The pack of something. Paquet. Sachet. That is sachet. Then the next one, A and I says ren. Queen. Peigne. Comb. Treize. 13. Treize. Then now we move to the next one, which is AI. The AI says also shares. Share. Maître. Male class teacher. Maître. Male class teacher. Paix. Peace. La paix. Peace. Then we have ES that also says Example, me, 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 my. That means in plural. My books, my bags, my tables. So plural, in plural form. Se, se, his, or her, which is plural also. His books, our bags. So use what? Se. Three, you are. Three, you are. Example, three, ebo, you are handsome. Three, belle, you are beautiful or pretty. Then the next one is est, which is also. Eh, also. Il est, he is. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Elle est, she is. Then the next one is E plus double T or plus S or plus double L. It's pronounced E. Set, 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 set. His. That is this or that. This or that. This or that. Set. The next one, cess, 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 cess. Stop. Cess. Stop. If I say cess, that means stop. Or arrête. Cess. Cess. Stop. Elle. Elle. She. Elle. She. So when you see all these sounds like this, so anywhere you want to pronounce them what? So the transcription of all of them, as you said, is what? Like this. Eh, eh, like this. Its transcription is this eh, 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 eh. Thank you very much. God bless you.